My baby's chilling outside. Hi, Pupper. Morning. I super love waking up to really supple skin, you guys. So I've been using my Hada Labo skincare. Super ganda ng skin ko. Oh my gosh. Except for a few breakouts. 1, 2, 3. But other than that, look. Ang supple ng skin. I just woke up. May kumakatok. Yes, Bubber. What do you want, Bubber? No. Go out, baby. Out. You're so guwapo naman. Kailangan niya maligo today kasi ang baho niya. Nakakaloka. Mabaho ka, Bubber. You stink. Oh, no! Nakakaloka. Umuulan na naman. And apparently, there's a bagyo. May bagyo. Dito ako sa Ayala Triangle. Kakain muna ako kasi wala pa yung car. I've been waiting for an hour. So, kain muna tayo. Cutie cat. Meow. Oh, ang daming pusa dito. Oh my gosh, look. May nagpapakain din sa kanya. Sa kanila pala. It's so cute. So many of them. I waited 2 hours for the car. Grabe. So it's almost 6 p.m. now. I have to head to SM Ora to buy food for Kaimu. And it's Friday, guys. So traffic. Oh. Ang bongga ng isang scooter, may upuan. I didn't catch him, but galing. Nandun na lahat ng mga grocery stuff. I'm just waiting for the car. Super hangin. Love it. I'm home and I managed to bring everything in one trip lang. So I have my laundry. So ito, tsaka ito dinala ko. Buti na lang, kaya ko siyang bitbitin ng isang kamay to. And then I have grocery, tissue grocery, and then nag-take out ako ng food for Isa because my sister's gonna be spending the night here tonight kasi we're gonna leave super early tomorrow. Hi, Bob! This kid needs to take a bath tonight kasi ang baho niya, amoy aso siya. I also lighted my candle kasi nagpupu si Kaimu ang baho ng apartment. My goodness, Kaimumu. May treat siya, oh. Then I'll cook his food for tonight, tapos hanggang pang baon tomorrow. Isa-isa lang? Tatlo yan, Bob. So, I'll do another grocery haul for today before I start packing for tomorrow. Okay, nalinis ko na yung kwarto. New bed sheets for my sister. And like, emptied na yung mga laundry. Ay, no! Kaya mo, outside. Maliligo ka pa. Outside. Hold on. Ayan. Nalagay ko na lahat sa closet. Medyo magulo, pero maayos din kasi nakatabi naman lahat. So, bongga na yan. Usually kasi iniiwan ko siya sa labahan or sa loob ng luggage for weeks. And wala, nagugulo siya ng bonggang-bongga. So now, done na. So now I have to give Kaimu a bath and then make dinner for myself, which is Korean noodles. I'm wearing a romper from Guess. It's nice kasi ito lang yung damit ko kanina. Ayan. And then my necklace is from Wanderlust. Again, from Freya. It's so nice. No makeup today. Hinanda ko na yung life vest si Kaimu. Ano ba yung mabaho, Kaimu? Bakit amoy aso? Saan kaya yung mabaho? Tapos na siya maligo. Hi, Bob. Good boy. Ikaw ata yung mabaho, kaya mabaho kanina eh. Naligo na siya. So, bumili ako ng chichirya. I love clover. I have wasabi. Request ng sister ko, Cheetos. And then we have Shinramyun. I missed it, so I got a pack for myself. Downy, Fabcon. Hindi ko bet yung kalinisan ng Fabcon. Hindi siya ganun kabango. Oh, Kaimu, mayroon pala akong gift sa'yo. Look! Mama got you a toy. Another toy, Mom? Wait lang. You wait. Then I got you carrots as well. And then, ooh, your favorite, Yakult. And then, mga hearty roll. From Pet Express yan. Since hindi na ako nagpa-bag kasi nga meron naman akong dalang bag. Eco bag. Girl, use eco bag all the time. And then, bumili ako ng dalawang Isang bra from Forever 21, sports bra. And then isang dress, which I'll be wearing tomorrow. Parang slip-on dress lang siya. The Lola in me, I need salon pass, girl. So, bumili ako ng dalawang pack. Dahil uso ang dengue, I need some off, lotion, tissue, and soap. And then more cheese for Kaimu here. Alright, so, open natin to, Bob. Down from the table. Down. Down. Malalaglag ka dyan. Ay, nako. Then, bumili pala ako ng isang pack ng towel or paper towel from SM Bonus. Tapos, ayan, mga Clorox or Zonrox alcohol and then toilet paper. Toilet paper. Are you ready for your toy? Yeah, Mom. Ready? Are you ready? Catch. Oh, no. Get it, Popper. Rescue. I love niyan. I just can't resist buying him new toys every time. He's my baby boy. You like that, Bob? Uy, may dalawang balls. How are you gonna play with it? Ay, ayaw niya naman mag-share. Hoy, swapang. Hoy, akin na. Tago-4 tayo. Tago-4 nga yan eh. Yak, kadiri laway mo. Yak. Dami niyang laway lately. Habang lumalaki si Kaim, lalo siyang malaway. Kalurks. Okay, play ka na. Luto na si Mama. My dinner for tonight. Grabe si Kaim mo. Nayupi na niya agad yung... Nayupi niya yung bola. What happened to the ball? Wala. Masyado kang malakas, Bob. Oh, okay. Sira na. Ate Isa! I love you, baby. Bagong ligo yan. Hi. Ano? Jesus! Auntie!
I love you! I love you!
Lalo na yung ulo niya, mas malaki na sa mga ano. Grabe.
I love you, baby!
Oh! Mabango ba siya?
Yeah.
Ito pala yung padala ng Sanicare. So, Sanicare is the brand of wet wipes that I use every time. They sent over new products. Ang cute na to, girl. Actually, ubos na to. Mini wipes. Diba? Summer breeze. Super duper cute. And then, I also started using the Clean Hands foaming sanitizer. They also got, they also sent over compact cotton pads. Ayan. Tapos, wound care bandage strips. Tissue, and more bandage strips or band-aids. And then this really nice pouch. Thank you, Sanicare. Nice pouch. Bongga. Okay mo, you go sleep with auntie na. You have to sleep. We're gonna wake up early. Napagod ka kay Ate Isa? Go, go. Ngayon lang siya kumakain. Good boy. You finish your food, ha? Nakululutuin ko pala yung food mo. So, I'm preparing my stuff for tomorrow na. So, bikinis, clothes, underwear, shorts, and then towel ni Kaimu, towel ko, beach mat, pantulog. That's it. Super konti lang. And I'll be using my Kipling bag, the blue one. Ito ay pamatulog kasi maaga pa. Also prepared Kaimu's food. So, yung barf.ph ng mga jars. So, since they're glass jars, sobrang perfect kasi you can reuse them. So, 2 jars full of atay and beef, and then 1 for Kibo. I'm also gonna bring my tea. Okay, so we're done packing, and that's it. We'll see you guys at the beach tomorrow. Bye! Good night!